Hello everybody, this is a quick tutorial on how to use the MakerMoon video editor. This is my first tutorial, so please bear with me. If I'm missing something or if you want to throw me rocks, just hit me with an email, okay? For this tutorial, I chose the Deluxe Slideshow. You're going to find it on the MakerMoon's homepage. I chose this template because it's very complete, has a lot of nice features to explore. Just for a basic tutorial, it's perfect. So the first thing I want to show you is the bottom slider here. This is a very important part of the interface. It's the timeline slider. You can click the button and drag to scroll through the video, just like that. Or you can just click to jump at specific points that you might want to edit. Okay. Now, each template into the MakerMoon has its own specific form, and each form are going to be different. So, for example, for this template, we have an introduction, a slideshow, an outro, and some fonts. Let's cover the fonts section first here. So, all fonts are provided by Google Fonts, and they're free for you to use. To choose a font, just click on the drop down there, and you can choose whatever font you want. If there's a font that you would like me to add, and that's available on Google Fonts website, just send me an email. Maybe I can add it for you. Okay, so let's jump into the introduction now. Here you can see that we have a logo, a title, and a subtitle. Now keep in mind that if you don't want a specific text label, you can remove it just by deleting its content. Okay, I'm gonna try to edit a logo right now. Every time you see a logo, you should be able to hide it using the Show Logo switch, just like that. To change an image, click on the Select button near the thumbnail. Here we have two options. You can either upload an image from your device or choose a recently used image. If you have a logo with a transparent background, just like this one here, make sure you use it. It's going to look much more professional. It's going to be much more nicer. So here we can change the size just by click and dragging the button here. Okay, now I'm going to jump into the slideshow section. This little group of thumbnails, you're going to see it often in many video templates. It's used to create slideshow. So I think there's a lot of improvement that needs to be done here. It's probably going to change, maybe different when you're watching this video, but I'm going to explain how it works right now. So to move or delete slides, you just click on the move or delete button here, and you can delete by clicking on the garbage bin. And you can move slides around by choosing the slide to move and where you want to insert it. When you're done, you click on the done button. To add a slide, just click on the add button there, and it's going to duplicate the last slide. Now, to edit a slide, you just click on the thumbnail, and it's going to open a form for this specific slide. Here I'm going to try to change the background image. Now we have a new option here, which is stock images. All stock images are provided by Pixabay. It's an awesome service. All images are free for you to use. You don't have to ask permission for anything. Just grab the images you want and use them on your project. Okay. Now you can do this with all the slides. I'm gonna choose another one here. Let's try this one here. It can take some time. The images have to go back to the server, be optimized, and come back to you. So it can take a few seconds. Just be patient. Here, I don't really like the way the image is aligned, so you can change that using the crop button. You can either click and drag the crop zone or click and drag a corner to change the size of the crop zone. And when you're done, you click on the crop button, just like that. Okay, it looks much better. And I'm just going to jump into the outro. Outro is a good place where you can put your contact information. Here we have a title. You can change the title. You can change the paragraph with your contact, and the logo, same form as you saw in the introduction here. Maybe a little detail. Some color pickers will have an opacity slider, just like that, where you can change the opacity of the color you're editing. So that's about it. It was just a quick tutorial, a quick overview of the basics. We're going to explore more advanced features in the next tutorials. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.